Hi everyone. First of all, I would like to thank every one of you for showing so much love and support for our new venture Naadasamsthiti. I thought I'll just give you an idea of what is in store. We have broken down the courses into simple ones where each course consists of just 5 songs or 5 kritis thematically. It could be Tyagaraja Swami, it could be Dikshitar and Shama Shastri, it could be a set of kritis from different composers, and of course the same thing applying to Mridangam, the Aradis and 5 talams. So we have kept 5 videos as a common in all these. Also, we have kept the classroom setting very organic, where we have a student along with us who is participating equally like in a regular classroom. I sing a line, the student sings a line. Wherever there's a mistake, the correction happens. Same thing applying to Mridangam, each beat broken down, where the student is also playing. So whoever is learning also feels like, yes, it is possible to make these mistakes and this is how it is supposed to be corrected. The learning curve course, where Sairam and myself have a discussion and sharing of experience of being on stage, how to anticipate each other's creative ideas. So these are certain things that we have explored, and I really hope we are able to help students who are keen on learning this art form from wherever they are through this